Hey everybody, Simon Brown, driving instructor here, and we're looking at Donnington four-way traffic lights today, specifically turning right on the traffic lights from a few different directions. So we're coming up the hill from the parade, past the ambulance station, and we're turning right at these traffic lights. Now we need to be careful of the bike box in front of us. When your light goes to green, the traffic coming from the opposite direction will move as well. Their light is green as well. So we need to put ourselves in a position where we're slightly to the right. So see those yellow bollards you've got just in front of you on the right hand side there? You want to position yourself just past them and then angle your car to the right a bit, so you're not blocking vehicles coming towards you, but traffic behind you has a chance of getting past you. Bigger vehicles won't get past you, so buses and lorries won't. That's not your problem. Main thing is don't turn out in front of these vehicles until you have a clear path, like so. Notice how the cars can get round the back of us there because we pushed ourselves far enough forwards. So just be conscious of your space there. Make sure you do it quite a few times with your instructor or when you're practicing with family, making sure position is absolutely spot on. Your priority though is not affecting the path of vehicles coming the other way, oncoming. It's not your fault necessarily that the junction isn't big enough to allow a lorry to get past you. That's not your concern really. Your concern is, are you affecting the path of vehicles coming towards you? If the answer is yes, then you've probably pushed too far to the right or too far forwards. Same again from this angle again, minding the bike box. This one's slightly easier because it's downhill rather than uphill, so you don't have to worry about a hill start as well. And again, light goes to green. Corresponding traffic coming the other way will go to green as well. But you might get a situation like this where if you can time it right, the two vehicles in front of you will go, you can flow and just turn. Simple as that. Hope that helps. Any questions and comments, as always, let me know. Cheers.